has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Northerly Island, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 4:15 p.m. At 3:20 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 20 nautical miles east of Winthrop Harbor to 15 nautical miles northwest of Montrose Harbor, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms will remain over mainly open waters. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. This is